Hey everyone, welcome back to Kishan French Learning. Today's video is going to be something special. But before I dive in, I request you to hit subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on our future content. Today we are going to have some fun with French action verbs. If you want to spice up your French and learn how to talk about things you do every day, you are in the right place. Action verbs are crucial for describing what we do in our daily lives. It is going to be easy and exciting, so stick around. French verbs are like superheroes of sentences. They are words that show action like running, talking, or eating. They change their looks depending on who is doing the action and when it is happening. Action verbs are crucial for describing what we do in our daily life. It is going to be easy and exciting. So let's begin with French action verbs. Manger means to eat. Je mange une pomme. I eat an apple. Dormir, to sleep. Il dort beaucoup. He sleeps a lot. Parler, to talk. Nous parlons français. We talk in French. Écouter, to listen. Elle écoute de la musique. She listens to music. Regarder, to watch. Tu regardes la télévision. You watch TV. Marcher, to walk. Il marche lentement. They walk slowly. Courir, to run. Elle court vite. She runs fast. Danser, to dance. Nous dansons ensemble. We dance together. Saluter, to jump. Le chien saute haut. The dog jumps high. Jouer, to play. Ils jouent au football. They play football. Lire, to read. Il lit un livre. He reads a book. Écrire, to write. Elle écrit une lettre. She writes a letter. Chanter, to sing. Elle chante une chanson. They sing a song. Dessiner, to draw. Tu dessines un arbre. You draw a tree. Cuisinier, to cook. Nous cuisinions ensemble. We cook together. Nager, to swim. Il nage dans la piscine. He swims in the pool. Aimer, to love. J'aime les chiens. I love dogs. Rire, to laugh. Nous rions ensemble. We laugh together. I hope you enjoyed exploring French verbs with me. If you like what I covered in the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye for now.